Dear Purva, it's been a long time I haven't seen you.
Hi Nayonika, I had went to stay with my grandparents' house. What about you? What did you do?
Nothing, just thinking to write an article on environmental restoration.
Wow, environmental restoration, the theme of India at present. As about that transmission, India has started the lockdown.
Yes, quarantine has stopped all the commercial social activities, and due to that, nature has showed improvement in quality of soil and environment in air, and nowadays we can hear chirping of birds.
Yes, although coronavirus vaccine is not available, but the coronavirus itself is the Earth's vaccine and us humans are the virus.
Yes, exactly. Restoration can happen through actively planting or by removing pressures so that the nature can recover on its own. There are many instances of wildlife caught in camera where they were roaming here and there freely, where they normally don't.
For at least 2 months, there was a drastic impact in the hawking, no sounds of vehicles, no machineries were running in the factories, and no loudspeakers.
With improvement in nearly all aspects like water, air, and nature, the nature is getting the benefits and lack of human activities.
As the world unlocks in phases, experts are urging everyone to consider these environment gains and treat the Mother Earth with compassion and gratefulness.
Anyways, I have thought to plant these saplings in every 3 months to take care of Mother Nature.
I wish everyone had this thought of preserving the environment for our future generation. If you don't mind, can I plant the sapling with you?
Yes, of course. Let's nurture the nature for better future.
Hello everyone, myself Sunidhi from Prince Lotus Valley. Here I represent the collective consciousness of our country, the breath of life. Speak with the patient coordinator. Today, everyone is looking for oxygen, the pran vayu. The desire to get the natural way to increase the oxygen indoors is at your hand. There are options available to foster an environment with good health and well-being with your health in mind by increasing the list of top plants like money plant, peepal, neem, rama tulsi, aloe vera, snake plant, areca palm, which can be planted easily. In this scenario, it is very good to having all these plants that purifies air and brings up fresh air for you. So, everyone adopt and nurture these plants on this World Environment Day. Thank you, and again, very happy World Environment Day to all from Prince Lotus Valley School.
क्या कर रहे हो बच्चों? अरे ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, चलो मैं भी आपकी हेल्प कर देती हूँ। वेरी गुड।